video, I want to share with you 4 tips to make managing your email a little easier. Stick around. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I want to share with you 4 tips that will hopefully help make managing your email just a little bit easier. Okay, number 1 is a no-brainer. Unsubscribe to marketing emails, okay? They're just a time sucker when it comes to productivity. Because here's the thing, if you really need something, you'll go look for it. You don't need them knocking on your door. Number 2, create files in your email. Here's the thing, when you create files, you help yourself prioritize which emails you need to answer first. I actually create files with a tiered system of answer immediately, answer within a day, and I shuffle them in to those files. That way it's just easier for me to prioritize what I need to do and when I need to get it done. Number 3, try to keep your emails short. If it seems like it's going to be a real long email, maybe consider giving a call. It'll actually help you manage your time a little bit better. Number 4, set up specific times to answer your emails. By setting a specific time, you are more focused on your responses and can powerhouse through them a lot quicker. Okay, so that's 4 ways you can help manage your emails a little bit easier so you don't end up with over 1,000 emails sitting in your inbox. I hope you found this tip helpful. If you did, please give me a thumbs up on this video. It really helps my channel. Take care and I'll see you next time. Hey, if you like this video, why don't you check out one of these over here? And don't forget, the links to my socials are found below.